Home Remedies presents.
Try this easy trick to keep your bathroom smelling fresh all the time. Cleaning the bathroom is something I always do. In today's video, I will unveil an easy trick on how to keep the bathroom smelling fresh. This handy trick is a great way to eliminate bathroom smells that don't require a daily spray or a touch-up every time you go. In fact, you only have to do this as often as you change your toilet paper roll, and it works just as well. And yes, there is a correct way to hang your toilet paper. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. Let's see how to do it. You will need a toilet paper roll. It doesn't even have to be full. Baby oil or any essential oil which you like the smell of. What to do? Place 3 to 5 drops of the oil on the inside of the cardboard toilet paper roll. Voila! Your bathroom will be filled with a pleasant aura of baby oil or whichever scent you have chosen. Why this works? Rolling the fragrant toilet paper roll tosses the scent around and reactivates it. The nice smell will last you till the end of the roll. Be careful though that the oil doesn't get on the paper itself. Try it for yourself and you really cannot go wrong with this trick.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.